Hi guys! For today's video, I am going to unwrap again Christmas gift. So before he gave me this, he said that I have a special gift because he already gave to another people the small gift, and then when it comes with me, he said, "Oh, you have special gift." So, let's do the unbox. So, unwrap pala. Unwrap my gift from my friend. So, pasensya na sa aking mukha. Ako ay not feeling well. So, yan. So, ito siya. So, sabay-sabay nating buksan. So, tingnan nyo yung Christmas gift. So, nice. So, ganito siya. Ganito lang yan. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano ito. Wow. Oh, wow. That's why it says special. Oh. It's an angel. Oh, so cute. Oh. Guys, it's not very good. It's an angel. Oh, so lovely. I really like it because, and another more. It's what's this? It's I think it's a candle holder. So he put here so it will not get to read my angel. I think so. I don't know. He tied it. So it's a candle holder. Oh, 3 candle holder. Angel and 3 candle holder. Oh, thank you so much. This much of it. It's so nice. This is my gift from my friend. I really love it. It's like an angel. So nice. So, thank you so much and have a nice day, everyone. God bless you. Papush.